To be honest, I never thought this project would ever come this far. What you're about to see began as a scrapyard gamble, and today, it's finally taking shape. Few machines tell a story as rich as the 1938 Levis motorcycle. Born in an era when craftsmanship and ingenuity defined engineering, this vintage beauty has a tale that's worth restoring and sharing. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Prime Auto India. Today, we're diving into the fascinating journey of restoring a 1938 Levis motorcycle, a true relic from a bygone era. So, let's rev up and get started. Our story begins with this neglected but promising motorcycle, stored away for decades. Despite its rusty exterior and worn-out parts, it's clear that this machine once roared with life. Once again, I am joined by master technician and mechanic Manik Chanji in this project. Prior to the engine reaching him, preliminary work was done at our end. First step, assessment. Chanji's extensive knowledge and work experience is a boon for us. Rebuilding the engine is one of the highlights of this video, where Manik Chanji works his magic on the timing side of things in this 1938 Levis. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode of the rebuild of this 1938 Levis as it is brought back to life.